Welcome back to Product Scout, your go-to channel for honest, detailed looks at the latest home improvement gear and gadgets. Today, we're diving into a water filter replacement that's designed specifically for a select group of Kangen water systems. The Loiesitarge high-grade water filter replacement. It claims to tackle chlorine removal effectively, and we're going to break down everything you need to know before you buy. It claims to tackle chlorine removal effectively, and we're going to break down everything you need to know before you buy. But heads up, it's not compatible with older Leveluk SD501 models or any machine outside of the HGN F8 line. If you're using a Kangen 8, this filter has been engineered with your system in mind. One of the most appreciated features is its quick swap installation system. You won't need any tools, any adapters, or extra effort. The filter comes with dual connection ports on the top that make it a plug-and-play experience. It slides in and out without any stress, and the markings are clear so there's no second guessing during installation. On to the build quality. It's a compact, cylindrical filter with a durable plastic housing. It's not flashy, but that's not the point. What matters is the internal filtration media, and this one is built to deliver consistent filtration performance. Especially in reducing chlorine levels in your water. That's key for anyone relying on their ionizer for both clean and health-conscious hydration. Size-wise, the filter is compact enough to integrate easily into your existing setup. It measures 3.4 inches in both depth and width, and 5.9 inches in height. It weighs about 8 ounces, so it's not going to put any stress on your machine either. In terms of certification, the filter does come with an NSF certification. That's the National Sanitation Foundation, and it means this filter has met international public health and safety standards. While the brand itself might not be as recognizable as Enagic, this filter is manufactured to be a high-grade alternative. So how often do you need to replace it? The recommended replacement cycle is every 3 to 6 months. If your water usage is high or if your local water supply has more contaminants, you'll want to lean closer to that 3-month mark. Otherwise, you can likely stretch it out to half a year with moderate use. Now, price-wise, it's a more affordable alternative to the original Enagic filters. While the exact pricing may vary based on availability and seller, this can be a great budget-friendly option for Kangen 8 owners who don't want to pay a premium but still want quality filtration. It's worth noting that this product isn't from Enagic, so if you're a brand-loyal purist, it may not be for you. But if you're open to trying a certified, compatible replacement filter that gets the job done, this is a solid choice. To wrap it up, the Loiesitarge high-grade water filter replacement offers a straightforward, well-constructed, and affordable solution for those using Kangen 8 and other compatible models. It's easy to install, efficient at chlorine removal, and meets NSF safety standards. That's it for today's breakdown on Product Scout. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews. And let us know in the comments if you've used this filter and what your experience has been. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.